As soon as we talk about I guess a couple of images will pop up into our mind. iPhone's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, ChatGPT. In today's video, I want to discuss how AI is or to be used in manufacturing world rather than entertainment or hands-free device. If we started with a standalone case packer machine on the factory floor, the operator would need to set up the machine mechanically and programmably. The loose product in the cardboard would then be fed into the machine, which would perform its tasks within specified conditions. However, the machine might stop or break down due to various reasons, such as running out of cardboards, using soft or out of specification cardboard, incorrect machine setup, or a broken chain link. Of course, newer machines now have more sensors and processors than ever before, aiming to reduce the workload on operators and minimize human errors. Let's take the product changeover setup as an example. All the operator needs to do is select the right product from the recipe on the HMI. If the cardboard is too soft, an alarm like flap error or timeout error will appear for the operator to address. From that point of view, we refer to such a machine as a smart machine, but it still does not possess true intelligence. Under what circumstances would we consider the machine intelligent? Remember when I mentioned the recipe? It is a collection of preset data for each type of container, specifying the different settings for each adjustable machine parameter. But what if there's a new type of bottle? Typically, the operator or programmer would manually create a new recipe to accommodate it. That's where intelligence begins to come into play. Intelligence includes the ability to learn, reason, generalize, and infer meaning. The lowest level of intelligence for this machine would be recipe generation, as long as the new bottle size and packing pattern are inputted. The machine generates the corresponding recipe accordingly. This requires the system to have machine learning and generalization abilities. The next level of intelligence would involve eliminating the need for hard data input. The machine can detect the geometry of bottle and the cardboard, predict the packaging pattern on its own, and collect all data generated during production for monitoring and pre-warning purpose in case something goes wrong. This level of intelligence requires the packing machine to have machine learning, image processing, unstructured data analysis, and prediction abilities. If we zoom out and take a look of whole production floor, AI has a broader area to play its role. First of all, it can detect performance issues. Let's take Amazon's Monitron as an example. It can be attached on a critical machine like motor surface. Once installed, the sensor, which is this one, the sensor starts to send vibration or temperature data to AI service stored in AWS via Monitron Gateway, which is this one. The AI start machine learning based on each device's footprint. If any abnormality is found, the alarm will be sent through registered mobile phone immediately. This enable maintenance personnel to carry out a proactive maintenance job to prevent unscheduled downtime. Next row is optimized processes. Think about a complex manufacturing facility with a lot of functional processes. The output of manufacturing is related to different combination of data, such as raw materials, moisture, hardness, pitch value, purity, operators, etc. AI can be used to process historical data to give most optimized process planning. A typical example is IBM's Cognitive Plant Advisor. Okay, next row. Make smart decision. Once a complex system failed, a traditional SCADA or HMI only tells operator the symptom, which leaves the problem to operator or maintenance to address. In some cases, when symptom happens, it's already too late for operator to trace the original cause because it happened in the previous process. However, the modern AI-powered system can keep an eye on every real-time data and comparing a proposed data. Based on training information, it will throw out alarm to operator more accurately relate to the problem. This picture displays a digital twin system developed by Force Technologies, showing more interactive interface to operator to display useful information via tablet. Certainly, the application of AI manufacturing doesn't end there. When we consider the manufacturing from a broader enterprise perspective, there is immense potential to leverage AI. Let's consider a simple example. If AI is employed to analyze sales data, it can provide more accurate sales forecasts for the near future, thanks to its ability to process vast quantities of data simultaneously, far beyond what a human can achieve. Based on these forecasts, procurement and manufacturing plans can be seamlessly generated to align with sales objectives while taking into account the current production capacity. By harnessing AI in this way, manufacturing companies can optimize their operations, minimize inventory cost, and ensure a smoother alignment between supply and demand. The ability of AI system to quickly analyze and interpret vast amount of data empowers decision makers to make informed choice that enhance productivity, efficiency, and profitability. Furthermore, AI can be employed to automate various tasks and processes within the manufacturing environment. For instance, AI-powered robot can be utilized for assembly, quality control, and logistics, thereby increasing production speed, improving product quality, and reducing errors. Machine learning algorithm can also be applied to detect anomalies and predict the maintenance requirements, enabling proactive maintenance and minimize unplanned downtime. Overall, AI offers manufacturers the opportunity to transform their operations, optimize resources allocation, and improve overall business performance. By leveraging the power of AI-driven analytics, automation, and predictive capacities, manufacturing enterprises can make more informed decisions, streamline their processes, and achieve a competitive edge in the market. The picture here shows a commercial system using AI to help supply chain plan. So far, I only briefly covered the aspect of AI used in manufacturing. In the next episode, I will keep on discussing AI. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.